notice on security challenges, and I put measures in place that went very far to tackle security challenges. I've discussed that with the new CP. But I want to go a little bit historical. The Lagos State Police Command was created in May 1967. Although the smallest state in Nigeria, in terms of landmass, with an area of 3,568.61 square meters, of which 7.55 square kilometers are wetland, that is covered by water all over. You should also remember that Lagos State is the economic epicenter of Nigeria, the economic hub of Nigeria, and with a population of over 30 million. That's my own estimation. I know the Google will say it's 20 million, but we know how people flock into Lagos in hundreds, in thousands every day. Population cannot be less than 30 million. Being the economic hub, being the epicenter of Nigeria, where all Nigerians and foreigners reside, it is unarguably the fact that security activities must be a very daunting one. And the challenges are there, but I know with the arrival of the new CP and the hard-working men of the Lagos State Command, we always, as we have always been doing, surmount the challenges. As at 2006, the population of Lagos was 17.5 million, but I must tell you it's over 30 million now. And it is projected that the population is growing at 3.2%. And like I said, the state has a projected population of 30 million. By the year 2028, Lagos will be ranking among the 3 most populated cities in the world. That is with Tokyo in Japan and Bombay in India. At creation of the command has 4 area commands and 22 police divisions. But today, there are 14 area commands in the state, 110 police divisions, and 75 police posts. But I must tell you, these divisions are not even enough. Very urgently, there is need to create more 5 divisions in the areas I've identified, which I will share with the incoming CP. Honestly, I would have loved to create those divisions, but the manpower, due to manpower shortage. The population of Lagos is fast increasing. Areas like Ajagbadi, that's towards Badagry, is getting more thickly populated. Kurudu area is getting expanded and more thickly populated. And even Ekpe, Aja, and all these places, there is need for more policemen so that policing can get closer and nearer to the people. On this note, I don't want to waste much of our time. On this note, I want to sincerely hand over the general duties of the Commissioner of Police as spelled out in Part 2, Section 4 of the Police Act 2020. The instrument of powers and authority to discharge these functions can be found in various other instant laws and enactment by the Criminal Procedure Act, Police Act, Crime Prevention Act, Police Order, Official Secret Act, and so on and so forth. On this note, and with the grace of God and the power confirmed on me as the outgoing Commissioner of Police for the State Command, I want to sincerely hand over the duties and functions of the Commissioner of Police to start on. So, CP Olanrewaju Ishola, PSC Plus, PSC Daga, MNIPS, the newly unveiled Commissioner of Police for Lagos State Command. Congratulations.
The handling and taking over ceremony today. Like I did say earlier, the AIG will be proceeding to his new office.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I'm done. Thank you very much.
That particular advice you give to the new CP. So please look this way.
Okay. Yeah, my advice to the CP is to sustain the level of safety and security in the state and improve on it. We have spoken, I've briefed him on what is on ground, and I'm sure he's going to improve on what is on ground. And
for Lagos and Ogun State people, you're moving over there. What should we be expecting from you?
The expectation from Lagos and Ogun is that they should expect better security and safety in the two states. The zone will complement very, very efficiently the duties, the performance of the two CPs in the state.
They don't know you now. They don't know you. The office, our time. God negotiate. I don't know.